Hello everyone. I have prepared this dictation of 500 words at the speed of 90 words per minute. If you guys practice this thoroughly and sincerely, then the required speed of 80 words per minute for Rajasthan District Code exam will definitely seem very easy to write. Practice this passage multiple times to gain perfection. All the best.
Further submitted by the learned counsel for the petitioner that during document verification the respondents have orally ousted the petitioner for not meeting out required educational qualification as referred to in clause 1 full stop. Learned counsel argued that while doing so, the respondents have bypassed the provisions and have not considered the mandate of the notification dated 16 January 2023 issued by Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, wherein by substitution the qualification of designated officers and food safety officers was revised, and the central government has held that bachelor's or master's or doctorate degree in food technology or chemistry will be taken as equivalent to the desired qualification full stop. While placing reliance upon the same, it was next submitted by learned counsel for the petitioner that the said notification will be applicable retrospectively, as the draft notification for the same was issued on 20 August 2019 full stop stanza. Reliance has also been placed upon the dictum enunciated in 1994 SCC 379 titled as Ramdhari Singh versus Union of India and others, through which learned counsel for the petitioner submitted that when it comes to interpretation of statutes, the aim and objective and the facts and circumstances are to be duly considered full stop. In the instant matter for interpretation of certain terms, the beneficial rule of interpretation should be adopted and the provisions should be considered liberally full stop. Furthermore, the draft notification dated 20 August 2019 has defined degree to include the bachelor's degree also full stop. Therefore, cumulatively, it was argued that the term substitution is to be differentiated from supersession full stop. It was further contended that substitution means replacement, and the entire interpretation in the instant matter has to be holistically seen, and the benefit should be given qua the petitioner in spirit of the law and in the interest of justice full stop stanza. Per contra, learned counsel for the respondents submitted that in the matter of service jurisprudence, criteria of cutoff should be stringently complied with full stop. The cut-off criteria should be given effect with certainty and no deviation qua the material terms and conditions should be made, otherwise whole scheme of selection process shall be frustrated full stop. Refuting the contentions levelled by learned counsel of the petitioner regarding the petitioner possessing the requisite educational qualifications, learned counsel for the respondents submitted that the petitioner is not meeting out the requirements as outlined wide advertisement dated 20 October 2021 for the following reasons: that the notification dated 20 August 2019 was merely a draft notification, and after considering the objections, final notification dated 15/1/2021 was issued under the exercise of powers conferred under Section 91 of the Food Safety and Standard Act 2006, full stop. That the arguments advanced by the learned counsel for the petitioner regarding the dilution of the educational qualifications by notification dated 15 January 2021 cannot be countenanced, as the effect of the said notification was prospective in nature, full stop, stanza. Therefore, the educational qualifications defined in the advertisement dated 20 October 2021 are to be considered accordingly, full stop. That is, the said notification dated 15 January 2021, it has been categorically mentioned that the same shall come into force as from the date of publication in the official gazette, full stop.